Hey guys, it's Starr, and in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to use our variant style picker so that you can customize your e-commerce store. If you're selling products, you're not going to want to miss this tutorial because I'm going to be showing you how to customize your store so that you have the ability to choose between a drop-down menu and pills. The pills option makes it super intuitive for customers to shop right inside of your store. Let's dive in. Okay, so you're going to want to be on the sub-account level. On the left-hand side, we're going to click on Sites. Once you've clicked on Sites, just scroll up to Stores. Then you're going to select the store where you want to make these changes. Now, please note that we have a variety of pages here. We're going to focus on the Product Details page. Go ahead and select Edit. Once you've clicked on Edit, go ahead and select the Product Details Preview. Now, you'll notice that the default mode will have drop-down boxes. That'll be by default. We're going to be on the General tab. Let's scroll all the way down to Variant Styling. So currently we have drop down. Let's select Pills. Here's our pill tab. Now directly here in the builder, you can actually see what these updates look like without having to leave the builder, which is amazing. So currently we have our selected text, which is a blue color. You can make any changes to represent your brand that you see fit. So go ahead and select the colors that you would like to change for your text. You can change the background, border, unselected text, and so much more. Once you've made those changes, go ahead and save. You'll now see that within our store, the products that we've made adjustments to have the pill format view. This makes it really easy for customers to see the price points based on the variants that they're choosing. So go ahead and customize your product selector styling today right inside of your e-commerce store. And don't forget to check out the corresponding help doc below. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, check out our Content Army playlist for more videos like this one. I'll see you guys in the next video.